Welcome to e-learning online course on designing e-resources. MS Word. Word files play a major role in preparing e-resources. We use Word files to prepare handouts, notes, question papers, assignments, etc. for the students. In this video, you will learn tips to use a Word file, pasting images in a Word file, and converting Word file to PDF. So let's get started. For that, let's go to this PC, D drive, class 10 science folder that we created, and then we created a folder name Word document. Open it, right click in the open space and select new, and then select Microsoft Office Word document to create new Word document. Let's rename it as demo. Open it. Now as you see here, this is the menu bar displayed above the Word document. Whenever you open Word file, this menu bar may vary from computer to computer depending upon the type of MS Office version you have. But the way to use it will be the same in most of the cases. Now let's type anything here. Press enter. Going to next line. Now you see here there is lot many unnecessary space in between the lines. So for that, what you do whenever you open a Word document, before typing anything, you select no spacing from here. By default it is normal. So it's better to select no spacing before typing anything. Let's see the changes now. I'm typing and entering into another line. Now you see there is no unnecessary space in between. One more thing which you do before typing anything in the Word document is to check the page layout, and in page layout check the size of the paper. It's better to select the A4 paper size and the margins be selected as normal. So I repeat, on opening a Word document, select no spacing option. From the layout, change the paper size to A4 and the margins to normal. You can change the font size in the beginning itself also. From here, click home and you can select any of the font sizes you wish to have. You can select 12, you can select 14, and you can select the font style also from here. Any type of font style can be selected from here. I am pasting here the material on online education which I have copied from somewhere. For pasting, you can right click and select paste, or what you can do is you can press Ctrl and V together to paste the text. Now I wish to change the color of this text to black, so I'll select the whole text and change the color from here. As you can see here, each line is finishing at different points. I wish that all the lines should finish at the same point. For that, I will select the whole text and press this justified alignment. Now you see all the lines are finishing uniformly at the same point. You can change the alignment to left alignment also. You see here, now each line is finishing at different points. You can align it in the middle also. You can align the lines to the left also. But it is better that you select justified alignment so that uniform distribution of lines is there. Now if you wish to have 2 line spacing between the lines, then what you can do is you press Ctrl and 2 together. You see 2 line spacing between the lines is there. And if you wish to have 1.5 line spacing between the lines, for that you press Ctrl and 5 together. It's always better to simultaneously save the work. So for that you can either press this save button here, or you can press Ctrl and S together for saving the work in the Word document. Now let's paste an image here. Now for pasting image, you can either copy the image from your computer or you can copy the image from the Google Images. I'll show you both ways. This is the image in my computer. I select it and right click, copy it and paste it here below the text, either by pressing Ctrl V or by right clicking and selecting paste from the options. Now you see here the image has been pasted. Now I will let you know how to paste the image from the Google Images. I'll delete it and I'll go to the Google Chrome. I'll mention here KVS online teaching. I wish to have this image, so I select it, right click it, copy image and paste it in my Word document like this. You can resize the image by dragging and dropping its corner, but you cannot move the image. Remember, you can move the image in PowerPoint presentation, but you cannot move the image in Word document. But if you wish to move the image, there is another option in Word document. For that, what you do is, you see here Home, Insert, Page Layout, References, Mailings, Review, View. Right? Now if you select the image, there is another option appears after View, that is Format. Again I'll show you. I'm clicking outside the image somewhere. You see here after View there is no option. But if you select the image, another option appears after View, that is Format. So click Format and from there select Text Wrapping. You have lot many options of text wrapping: in line with text, square, tight. I will select tight. Now let me move the image. Now after text wrapping, you can see image can be moved to any place. I can move it here also. Let's take the image to the top. And let the text be below this image by pressing enter and again positioning the image at the proper place. Now you see here by text wrapping option we can move the image to any place of your choice. Now if you wish to share the contents of Word document with the students, it's better to share the PDF form of this instead of sharing the Word document, because PDF file is easy to upload on the internet and it can be viewed in mobile very quickly as compared to the Word document. So let's see how to convert the Word document into PDF file. For that, go to this icon in the left top corner, click it, Save As. Here it is written Word document, and if you open this drop down menu, somewhere here you may find PDF. In my computer this option is not available. You may have this PDF format available in your computer. So if it is available, select PDF format and then click Save. But if Save As PDF format is not available in computer like my computer, then what you can do is click this corner, click Print, Microsoft Print to PDF, OK. Type the name, let it be Demo. Now this time it will be saved as PDF document, and what is the address? Class 10 Science Word document folder. Click Save. Now let's go to that folder in D drive. For that, click this PC, D drive, Class 10 Science, Word document. This is the PDF version of Word file, that is demo. I'm opening it. So the Word document can be converted into the PDF file and can be shared with the students in WhatsApp group, or you can mail it to them. So what we learned? We learned that how to use a Word file, how to paste images in a Word file and how to manage images in a Word file. Then we also learned how to convert Word file to PDF.